Revolutionizing clean. How robots will dominate smart homes and industries in 2024. Imagine coming home to a spotless house without lifting a finger. Just a sleek robot whizzing around, vacuuming, mopping, or scrubbing floors. The cleaning robot market is transforming from a niche luxury into a global powerhouse, projected to skyrocket from $6.1 billion in 2023 to a staggering $27.6 billion by 2031, growing at over 20% annually. This boom is fueling innovation, competition, and new opportunities across residential, commercial, and industrial sectors. Businesses like iRobot, Robotics, Samsung, LG, and others are pushing the boundaries of what these autonomous machines can do. Just recently, Xiaomi unveiled its S10 robot vacuum with smart mapping and obstacle avoidance, making cleanliness effortless. Samsung announced their AI-enhanced vacuum and mop lineup at CES 2024, integrating cutting-edge technology that adapts to your home environment. Meanwhile, industrial-grade robots like Avidbots Neo 2W are cleaning sprawling warehouses and factories efficiently, highlighting the broad application spectrum. Investments in R&D are at an all-time high, with over $8 billion funneled into robotics research in 2022 alone. This fuels smarter, more autonomous devices that you'll see not only in homes but also in hospitals, airports, and large commercial spaces, ensuring safety and hygiene standards remain top-notch. But it's not just about innovation. Recent US tariffs are reshaping the market landscape, prompting companies to rethink supply chains and sourcing strategies amidst rising costs and geopolitical uncertainties. This climate pushes players to rely more on market intelligence, adjusting tactics to stay competitive. The market is diverse, segmented into personal and professional cleaning robots, with applications spanning from floor, lawn, pool, and window cleaning to specialized industrial scrubbing. Regions like North America, Europe, Asia-Pacific, South America, and the Middle East and Africa each display unique trends and growth drivers, providing many avenues for investment and expansion. Gaining insights into these dynamics involves detailed analysis, covering demand-supply gaps, SWOT, Porter's 5 forces, and regional forecasts, all designed to help stakeholders navigate this fast-evolving landscape. So whether you're a homeowner dreaming of a smarter, cleaner space or a business eyeing the next big innovation, the cleaning robot market in 2024 is shaping up to be a game-changer, making cleanliness smarter, easier, and more efficient than ever before.